Hi everyone. All right, ignore the stuff underneath. I'm in the middle of a project, but I want to get this done because I told my Patreon folks that I would do this. I am going to record a talky, slightly talky version of this, and then I'm just going to add music to speed it up, and YouTube will get the speed version. You guys will get it too on Patreon. And then my Patreon folks will get a little bit of the breakdown or, my thoughts on how these journals turned out.
We can go to a place where even our imperfections can rest safe. I thought we were on our way, but we're so quick to get lost these days. So we move on like waves of prairie grass. No use blaming the summer wind for rushing past. In the moments when I held my ground and stayed, I was only standing in the way. There is a point on the map when it's laying flat. Seems easy to arrive at, but in the world, all the stories I have heard, if you let go, things might circle back. So we move on like waves of prairie grass. No use blaming the summer wind for rushing past. In the moments when I held my ground and stayed, I was only standing in the way. I was only standing in the fork in the road and in the hand I wanna hold. You gotta take care when you go. Knife in the heart and in the drawer, it isn't sharp, but a dull blade is still wielding hard. We move on like waves of prairie grass. No use blaming the summer wind for rushing past. In the moments when I held my ground and stayed, I was only standing in your way. I was only